Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this video, I'll show you if Google Chrome is not playing any sound. Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this video, I'll show you how we can fix if Google Chrome is not playing any sound. See here, currently I'm playing a YouTube video and the volume is full here and the volume is also fine here. See here, the volume is also fine. And I also tried to play a music file on my computer and that also worked fine. So the problem is with the uh, Chrome itself. So how we can fix if Google Chrome is not playing any sound? Okay, so you need to click on three settings at right top corner and click on settings. This will open Chrome settings and here you need to click on privacy and safety. Once you click on privacy and safety, you need to scroll down and click on site settings. Under site settings you will find an option called at the bottom you will see something like additional content settings. You need to click on this drop down and you need to change the sound to sites can play sound and click on back. There is no need to save or something like that. Now just refresh the page once. The settings are done. Now you can refresh the page, and by doing this your Chrome will start playing the sound again. So in this way actually you can fix the issue. So I'll check it once.
Hello, how to search for filters on Instagram. So you can search for trending filters, you can search for the popular filter.
Okay, I hope you like this tutorial and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.